In a previous video, I showed you how to reglaze an old window. That process is going to leave a lot of smudges. In this video, I'll show you how to clean those smudges up without any detergents or cleaners. So it goes from looking something like this to this. You have a couple different options for how you can clean up all of this, all of our grease smudges. So there's some oils, just like in your hands, how your hands have oils. So if you go and you get fingerprints on a window, this is basically the same thing, except there's a lot more oil in this stuff. So you could clean it up with some type of mild detergent, Windex, but it's best if you probably leave it and wait until this sets up a little bit before you go and try to clean that off with a cleaner. The other option you have is basically the same thing as if you're in the garage changing oil on your car and you spill some oil on the garage, you soak it up with a little bit of kitty litter. Oil dry is what we really call it. And basically what that does is those little granular parts soak up that oil and remove it. That's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna use a finer powder. Since we are gonna be dealing with sheetrock dust, which has got silica in it, we're gonna be using a respirator because, premature lung cancer or lung cancer at all does not sound like a good time. We're just going to take an old paintbrush, dab some of it on there, and apply it to the window. As we work it back and forth, you'll notice it starts to stick to the oils, and then as you brush more and more, it will actually remove some of those spots. You want to be very gentle when you come next to your window glazing putty. You'll see here as we brush back and forth over the same spot a few times, it picks up more and more of that oil. When you are done brushing out all the smudges, you can just sweep all of the excess sheetrock dust from the window into the trash. If you take it outside and blow it off with an air compressor to get the rest of the fine stuff, that works pretty good. Notice how you can clean your window, removing the smudges before your glazing sets up. You can catch the original window glazing video here.